Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you how to make poor man's meal. This meal is very easy to do, cheap and fulfilling, so let's get started. The basis of this recipe calls for potatoes, hot dogs of your choice, a form of fat or oil to fry it in. So what I have in this bowl are my potatoes that are peeled and washed, and what I'm doing is just simply cutting it in half, and then each half is being cut diagonally in chunky pieces. I love mine in chunky pieces because I love the texture of my potatoes to have a caramelized brown crunch on the outside yet remain soft in the inside. That's completely up to you how you want to cut your potatoes though. Additionally, you can add onions, green peppers to this dish, whatever you like. It's a very versatile recipe. Now that my potatoes are cut, I'm going to season it with salt. However much salt you use here is completely up to you and to your taste. Make sure your hands are clean and give it a good toss. I have a large frying pan on high on the stovetop with a stick of butter in it. Now I'm going to add pure vegetable oil to the bottom of the pan, just enough to coat the bottom. Here you have the option of just doing butter or oil, whatever you prefer. I personally like the buttery taste that I get in the potatoes, so I'm adding some butter and some oil to that pan. And when it starts to bubble, we know it's ready for the potatoes to be dropped in. Make sure you exercise caution not to splash yourself here. I'm teaching my little one how to do this in a very careful manner, so she is taking her time with the tongs and the potatoes, making sure she does not splatter it and just being very cautious. Once all the potatoes are in the pan, give it a good stir, and then we're going to cover it up so that the steam will build up and help in the cooking process with the potatoes. Every couple of minutes, you want to give it a good stir so that the potatoes cook evenly. While the potatoes are cooking, we're going to cut up our hot dogs. I have my trusty little assistant here, again exercising caution while she does this in a very efficient manner, may I add. It was her idea to stack up the hot dogs together to get the most effectiveness out of her time in cutting them up. After a few more minutes, I'm going to check on the potatoes. I'm looking for it to be firm on the inside yet soft on the outside. This tells me it is time to cook the potatoes without the lid on, and this is how we're going to achieve the ultra caramelization process that we're looking for in the potatoes, where it's golden brown just like this, and it's going to be packing a lot of flavor into this dish. Once my potatoes are done cooking, I'm going to move them to one half of the pan while my little assistant adds the hot dogs to the other half of the pan. We're going to caramelize the hot dogs just ever so slightly so that there is another level of flavor into the dish. Give it a good stir and leave it for a couple of minutes for the hot dogs to caramelize. And within no time, our meal is ready to be served. Look at all this beautiful caramelization going on in this dish. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. All these actions help to support the channel. Make sure to share it with a family or a friend. I'll see you back again soon for more fun. Take care and thanks for watching.